In today's tutorial, we will design a brand identity carousel. Open Illustrator and create a new file. Select the Instagram post size and click on Create. Select the Artboard tool. Press Alt and drag the artboard and duplicate it. Press Ctrl+D for each additional artboard you want to create. I designed a beverage brand identity and I'll use it to design a carousel design. To view the complete brand identity, click on the link given in the description box. First of all, we will design the cover page. Create a background by selecting the rectangle tool. Remove the stroke and fill with color. Click on the File menu and then click on Script. Now run the bento script. If you want this script for free, please comment script. I am placing a quote in the center to capture the brand's vibe. To center align the text, click on the text, hold down the Shift key and double-click on the rectangle. And then align horizontally or vertically. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus right square bracket button to bring the previous object to the top. Hold the Alt button and drag to create duplicate. Copy the rectangle and click outside the artboard and press Ctrl plus F button. Press the Shift button and select the shape or submark logo, right-click and click on Make Clipping Mask. Now we will place the icon. Now press Shift plus Ctrl plus right square bracket button. Similarly, we will place the logo, logo structure and brand product. Copy the rectangle and paste it in front. Here I am placing the product. Copy the rectangle and paste it in front, then select the rectangle or product and make it a clipping mask. Similarly, we will place the logo. Now we will place the photoshoot of the product. Click on the File menu and then click on Place. I'm using PNG, we'll see why later. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus left square bracket button. Copy the rectangle. Now click on Image and press Shift plus Ctrl plus right square bracket button. Press Ctrl plus F button. Now, hold down Shift and select the rectangle or image, right-click, and click on Make Clipping Mask. Now we will create this pop-out hand effect. Double-click on the image. Select the Direct Selection tool and click on the corner of the rectangle. Now select the Anchor Point tool and make curve the line. Use PNG image to create this effect. Place this image in the same way. Now we will design the second page. This page will show the brand personality and safe space for the logo. Now we will create a rectangle of 80 by 80 pixels. Add guide and align text with a guide. Now add the handle name and a little information below. Now create third page. Follow the same process and create this. Press Ctrl+X button and cut the upper rectangle. Now place the image. Now press Ctrl+F to paste the rectangle. Select both and make clipping mask. Now place the brand overview and align with guide. Now make the bento boxes on the fourth page. I'm using the guide rule and place the brand primary typeface like this. Use the same guide rule and align the secondary typeface. Now place the image. Follow the same process and make clipping mask. Now I'm placing the secondary logo and icon. Place here this pop-out image effect. Now create the fifth page. Now make the bento boxes. Use this guide rule and align the text like this. Now place the secondary typeface. Fill the 1 by 1 all box and place the image in center. Now fill the gradient, press G button and click on the rectangle. Now change the color. Now place the accent colors on 6 and 7 page. Now place the image on 8 and 9 page. Now add some text or quote line. Lastly, you can add the brand campaign design and product mockups. Now it is done. Now let's save all the pages at once. Click on File, Export and Export for Screens. Make sure all artboard are selected. Now select the file location. You can save it in different formats like PNG, JPG, SVG, PDF and EPAs. But now select JPG 100 and click on Export Artboard. This is the final result. If you learned something from this video, then please like, share and subscribe.